Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Dollar Tree and look at all of these new cleaners they have by HomeBrite. They have this all-purpose cleaner, a glass and window cleaner, which is made with vinegar, which I absolutely love because it is non-toxic. They also have a lime and calcium remover, plus this dish detergent. I was super surprised to find this bronze drop. Now, this is the dupe for the Drunk Elephant bronze drops, which it retails for $38, and you can get that here at the Dollar Tree for just $1.25. Silly Sense Anti-Cavity Toothpaste by Crayola. Now, this is a lot of fun, especially if you have a little bit of problem getting your kids to brush their teeth. This is made by Crayola, and they also have the mouthwash and the matching toothbrushes. I think any kid would love. Very popular 7-day pill organizers back in stock at this Dollar Tree. Now, they also had the regular pill boxes in different colors, but these that just came back in stock are my favorite. Summer might be over, but that doesn't mean that we need to let our hair on our legs grow. Dollar Tree now has their knockoff brand of Nair. This is a shower creamer. Now, I believe that this Power Stick spray has been a pretty popular item, so I was surprised to see this at our Dollar Tree. This scent was a soft floral, and it really did smell wonderful. If you're a 90s girls like me, you might remember flavored lip gloss. These were hilarious. They came in all different flavors, and look at these crazy shapes. They've got donuts, aliens, this even soda pop. Now, we did end up taking one of these home and testing it out, and I have to say this was a pass for me. The packaging was super cute, but product inside was just not that great. This lip balm by Salt Range looks like it's for babies. However, I did find it in the cosmetics section, and it had a lot of natural ingredients, which I like. Now, I do my nails at home, so I was super excited to find these nail tools. Now, you get 3 different nail tools. You can use these for creating dots or flowers. They had 3 different pieces for $1.25. I'm not sure how I was feeling about this product. This is new. It is a plump lipping lip gloss. Have you ever used a plump lipping lip gloss before? Back down the toiletry aisle, we found this Squishmallows toothpaste in the flavor of mint, and they also had the Flosser Picks. These are so cute, so if your kids love the Squishmallows, this would also make some great stocking stuffers. I remember when nail stamping just came out, it was so hard to find these nail stamps, so I was pretty excited that Dollar Tree has these in for $1.25. You can get your nail stamp, and they also had these nail stamp plates. They had a few of these, but I thought the patterns were pretty unique. If you like doing your nails, this is a great way to kind of get started nail stamping. I also found these mini sponge packs and these mini powder puffs. These would be great for travel. I always find the strangest candies coming down the Dollar Tree. This is Sour Patch and in the flavor of a Snapple, like fruity flavor mix. And I also found the Sour Patch in a peach flavor. Now, this one actually sounded pretty good. Anybody like KoolAid and would like it in a gum? Well, now you can get that in Tropical Punch, Cherry, and Grape. Cowtail Mini Honey Buns. Now, this is a chewy honey bunny flavored caramel with a cream cheese chewy. I really like these snap clip. They had them in a nice neutral color, and they actually had a little texture on the outside. I also found them in some bright colors as well. These soft satin scrunchies are perfect for your hair. I really like the satin scrunchies versus the other textures because it's not going to pull any of your hair out. I was excited to see that Dollar Tree had a large variety of these different satin scrunchies. This has been a very popular item at the Dollar Tree, and I can see why, because you can find the same dispensing soap on Amazon for $8.99, and here at the Dollar Tree it's only $1.25. These glasses were iridescent, and they were actually glass. They had a lid and a straw. They came in some different colors. These were definitely high quality, and I loved them. I think these are great just to have around the house. If you haven't seen my Christmas Dollar Tree preview, be sure to check that out there. But I wanted to go ahead and showcase these glasses again because I loved them, and I think they're such high quality. So if you are one of those that want to get some Christmas glasses just for the holidays, maybe you're having some guests over, some parties. These are very elegant and so affordable. They had some with snowflakes. They had some with a snow-topped Christmas tree. They had so many different sizes, so you really had a variety to choose from. I am such a sucker when it comes to coffee mugs, and these were no exception. They had like a sweater theme kind of going on. I wasn't sure how much it held, but these were definitely cute, and they came in red and green. These sandwich bags are super fun. Now, each of these had 2 different designs in each of them, and there were several different characters to choose from. I even found these little Mickey mini cups, which were so cute. So if you have kids in your house, this would be perfect. These snack trays would definitely be convenient if you're popping some popcorn or just serving some sandwiches on. Now, I personally haven't tried these microwave steam bags, but I am curious to see how they work. You get 6 bags of this medium size, and looks like you would just put everything in it, pop it into the microwave, and maybe it will cook. And I also found this oversized marinated bag. Now you get 2 of these. These had a zipper seal expandable bottom, so these would be great for meal prep. If you're tired of using foil or saran wrap to cover your food, you can get these little cover-ups. Now you get 17 of these. You get small, medium, and large. I was super surprised to find this large hydrating bottle. These were $1.25. I hadn't looked on the bottom because I wasn't sure if this was part of the $5 deal, but it is $1.25. It even has printed on there to help keep you hydrated throughout the day. They came in so many colors. Now these were already in their boxes. They haven't even unloaded these yet. These headphones look exactly like the Apple headphones, but they're only $5, and I probably can tell you they probably don't have the sound quality that an Apple would have, but it is definitely a dupe. These mini candle lanterns, now I think these would be fun to hang on your patio. It would give it really pretty vibes. They had them in white, and they also had them in the black. More for a LED candle for the house. They had these flameless LED pillar candles. If you are looking for just some traditional tapered candles, they had a variety of colors. They had cream, red, white, purple, and even pink. You never know what the future can hold, and I found these 4-hour emergency candles. You get 6 pieces for $1.25. I think this would be great to have on hand just in case power does go out. You want to have different sources of lighting, and this is a great option for that. With the holidays approaching us, I think this would make a great stocking stuffer. This is a 3 stacked pencils in the shape of mini. These are kind of cool because once the bottom runs out, rotate it to the top, and you have a nice fresh pencil. Reusable gel tape. Now this is a double-sided thicker tape. Another great stocking stuffer for even a teenage boy is an electric duster. That way they can keep their computer clean and dust-free. Pup Tarts. These are treats for dogs. This is so funny. There's no sugar added and all natural. They also had these dog stoppers, which are also natural and no sugar added. Thank goodness, because I would not give my dog any sugar, but those names are hilarious. This would also be a great item to have in your emergency kit if power were to go out. These are LED lanterns, and they came in a variety of colors, including red, black, and blue. I found these Wi-Fi smart bulbs. This does come with an app, and these are pretty cool because you can change the color. So you could do red, a warm white, or even a bright light. I do not personally have an Apple Watch, but this is a wireless magnetic watch charger. This is $5, and from what I hear, you do have to charge your Apple Watches every night. Let me know down below if that is correct.